All right, y'all. Little misty out today. Not the weather that I anticipated, but hey, it is what it is, man. We out here. Got some bad news, some bullshit news. I had another load booked yesterday. Y'all already know it canceled. It didn't cancel, but they added more product. So now they need a 53-foot van. I think it's like 16 pallets now. It was 8 pallets and they added 8 more. So, hey, man. It is what it is, man. So like I say, man, we about to shoot over here. We about to shoot over here to the receiver. Drop this shit off I got now. Pre-tripping, obviously. We're gonna drop this shit off. Get loaded up with the round trip to come back. And then we gonna see about, in the midst of all that, we're gonna see about trying to book something else to run with it. But, you know, it is what it is, man. You know how it go, man. It's all part of the game. So I'm about to get all my shit off in here, pre-trip it, let me get my shit right. And then we're gonna slide over here, like I said, to the receiver, and then we're gonna try to grab another load to put with this one, and then we're gonna head back down south or wherever the destination is after that, man. But as I say, man, we're gonna stay positive and stay on the grind, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all already know. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. In a minute.
Family.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. See what we got going on, man. I know I'm a little early. Not too early, but a little early. I know they took me last time. Hopefully we can have some good luck again. All right, y'all, we got the door. Just waiting on this trailer to All right, y'all, we in the warehouse. They let me come in today. It's been a while since I've been in here to load up. Normally they just drop it in there. We in here about to get loaded up. Medical warehouse. All they do is medical shit in here. All we got, y'all, one skid. All right, y'all, we good to go. Got loaded up. If you gon' quit, just quit. Don't even think about it. Cause when you say this your last run, loaded up. Now, about to pull up out of this damn dock. we're gonna see about jumping on the board. If we grab something else, I'm gonna just probably give it 30, 45 minutes. I ain't gonna wait too long. Damn near 12 o'clock already, so already I'm looking at about to get home about 10 o'clock. So probably a little later than that. And then now I'm thinking about I might get hit with that fucking that detour again in Orlando. So I'm not looking forward to that already. But about to pull over right here and see if I can grab something real quick. Let you know how it goes. Yes, sir. They had some brokers out there with some disrespectful rates, man. Slap worthy. You better believe it. Rates that they can only tell you over the phone in front of you. You might want to put your thumbs on it. So with that being said, it don't look like I'm gonna have nothing else to run with it. I'm just out of here. But I do gotta say, I went by some place and I know if I had some subs in the Atlanta area, boy, there's a spot up there on Martin Luther King called Mr. Everything Cafe. That shit fire, boy. Yes, sir. Y'all need to try it, boy. Mr. Everything Cafe. Indeed. Your ass better get there if you ain't never ate there. And if you've been there, your ass better get there again, boy. That shit real, boy. Good food, man. Gotta check them out. But I'm gonna keep my eye on the load board just to see if anything pops up on the way down. But I don't know, man. This shit looking real iffy, man. So I'd rather start getting on the road heading south, and then, like I say, if anything pops up in the process, then we'll do what we got to do. But that's about it for now, man. Tap in a few, man. Be safe out there.